Hello and welcome to azurewala YouTube channel. We are in how to series. Today we will learn how to manage Entra ID user roles. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. In this lab, you will learn how to manage Entra ID user roles, and we will discuss the concept and categories of Microsoft Entra roles. We will understand how we can manage the user roles with Microsoft Entra ID. Further, we will discuss how we can adjust the role settings and remove the roles. For this purpose, we will be using Microsoft Entra Admin Center as a tool. There are about 60 Microsoft Entra built-in roles, which are roles with a fixed set of role permissions. To supplement the built-in roles, Microsoft Entra ID also supports custom roles. Use custom roles to select the role permissions that you want. Categories of Microsoft Entra roles. So first category is Microsoft Entra ID specific roles. These roles grant permissions to manage resources within Microsoft Entra only. Example: user administrator, application administrator, group administrator all grant the permission to manage resources that live in Microsoft Entra ID. Second category of role is service specific roles. The measure Microsoft 365 services or non-Azure Active Directory services, service-specific roles that grant permissions to manage all features within the service. Example: Exchange Administrator. This is the specific role for Microsoft Exchange service. Intune Administrator. This is the specific role to manage the Intune. And SharePoint Administrator role, which is dedicated to manage the SharePoint services. The third category is cross-service roles. There are some roles that span services. We have two global roles, Global Administrator and Global Reader. All Microsoft 365 services honor these two roles. Also, there are some security-related roles like Security Administrator and Security Reader that grant access across multiple security services within Microsoft 365. Example is Security Administrator, Compliance Administrator. These are cross-service roles. In this diagram, we can see we have multiple services like Exchange, Intune, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Defender for cloud apps and Teams, and Azure Active Directory or Azure Entra ID. We have Azure Active Directory specific role. We have service specific role, which is like Exchange Admin or Intune Admin, etc. We have cross service roles like Security Admin and Security Reader, which are applicable on multiple services. Today's first practical topic is that how we can assign user roles with Microsoft Entra ID. First, we will sign in to Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and we should have privileged role administrator rights. Then we'll browse to Identity, Users, and All Users. We are in Microsoft Entra Admin Center. We'll go to Identity. Under Identity, we'll go to Users, and we'll go to All Users. Next step is we'll search for and select the user getting the role assignment. We'll assign role to user1. So we'll click on that. We'll go to assigned roles. Next step is we'll select the assigned roles from the side menu and then select add assignments. Select a role to assign from the drop down list, which will be like this, and then select next button or add button. We'll click add assignments. We can select one or multiple roles and press add button. successfully added the assignments. We will refresh this page. Application administrator and application developer role are assigned to user 1. Next task is adjust the role settings. You can assign roles as either eligible or active. Eligible roles are assigned to a user but must be elevated just in time by the user through privilege identity management. In the assigned role page, we can see the list of roles which are assigned to the user, and if we click on a specific role for the user, from here we can view the manage in privilege identity management. Once we click here, it will open the privilege identity management page, and we can click on Microsoft Entra roles. Microsoft Entra Privilege Identity Management is a premium feature that enables you to limit standing admin access to privilege role and much more. So we can assign a role, create assignment for Microsoft Entra role, update existing assignments to ensure that the user have just-in-time access to privileged roles. Then we can activate the role. Activate your eligible assignment to get just-in-time access to privileged roles, and then we can list, approve or deny activation request for Microsoft Entra roles. Since we are using a free account for this demo, so we do not have the privilege identity management module enabled. Next topic is remove roles. We'll go to identity, users, all users, search for and select the user getting the role assignment removed, and go to assigned role page and select remove link. So we'll go to identity, users, all users, and we'll select the user. Then we'll go to assigned roles and we'll select the role which we wish to remove and hit the remove assignment. Remove selected assignments, and assignments are removed for user 1. This concludes our lab session. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.